Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to be making some Milo puns. The English name for that is fish buns. To make it, you will need 500 grams of flour, 7 grams of yeast, some sugar, and lukewarm water.
We're going to what we're going to do. We're going to add some sugar. Take some sugar. You can add 3 spoons of sugar. Yeah. Why we adding sugar?
Because then it makes it sweet and it helps the yeast to puffing up.
That's the main reason is because yeast
it rises.
Yes, it's worked very nicely. Sweet base.
See.
Yes.
Then we add the yeast.
And you already wash your hands, yeah?
Yeah.
Then you can mix that flour and sugar a little bit.
You need to mix the flour and the sugar together, otherwise if you don't, it'll end up a little bit messy. You won't get the
Yes, then it's all of them mixed nicely. Now you're going to add this dried yeast. It's 7 grams. For this yeast, you no need
to activate.
Yes, no need to reactivate the yeast in the water.
Yeah.
We can straight away mix
in.
it. Yes, mixed it with the flour. Yes.
That's what the yeast looks like.
Looks like, yeah.
Really
How
brown.
it looks like.
It's brownish.
Yes. Now
So mix that
mix
up
it. Yes, mix
with
it
sugar
nicely.
and until you get all the flour just the white. Then
make sure it all mix properly. Then it's go to the every single.
Yeah.
Yes. Now it's done. Yeah. Now make a little hole in the middle. Yes. Then what we're going to do now?
We're gonna add the lukewarm water.
Lukewarm water. It's also help. That's enough. That's enough. Okay,
You can see we made a nice beer of it.
Yes.
Now you're gonna mix it with
Yes.
This should make all the flour and the yeast start to rise.
That's it. The sugar and a little bit of lukewarm water give it nice environment to yeast to rising up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should be left with some sticky.
A little bit more water.
Add a little bit more water.
Now
and
we're
what
going
you
to
should
mix
be left is some dry sticky flour.
That's it. Now we mix.
And then they should be really stiff.
Yes.
Don't remember to mix
Careful.
it. Oh. Remember to mix it very like this when I'm doing, because then it kind of makes it kind of easy for it to rise.
Okay.
Also, the flour adds it to not sticking to the bowl.
Okay. Now, actually, if you want, you already wash your hand, yeah? You can use your hand to mix it very nicely because we're going to make take the spoon out.
Yeah.
Wait just a minute and take a little plate. Leave it and take a plate, please.
Okay.
Take a. Yeah. And put the spoon, please. Yes. Now you can use one hand, please. One hand.
Made a mistake.
Yes.
There.
Okay. Now mix it very nice with the hand. It's much easier. Yeah.
Yeah.
You feel it's getting soft. Yeah.
It's really satisfying. It's squishy.
That's it. I'm gonna put a little bit of more water. Okay. Now give it.
This should get mucky now.
No, it will end up with a very nice dough. Yes,
Remember to wash your hands after this, because your hands can get really sticky.
Yeah. Try to take all the flour. That's it. All the flour
Basically,
together.
what I'm doing is just mixing all the flour with it, so then it helps it to. So when we need it later.
Yes. Mix it all together nicely. Very nice. Well done. You're doing a great job. Okay. Try to take this side flour as well. It's fine. It will go. See, once it's done, you will see. It's give you very nice floppy dough. Take this stool, then stand up with yes, like that. Let's make easier. Take all together.
Just putting all the flour on top
Yes.
of the yeast so that it's easier to do it.
That's it. Give a very good mix. That's it. Well done. Well done. Hold the bowl. Yes. Well done.
You got to squish it until
All together. All together. All together.
you got to squish it until it feels like squishy enough. Like,
Yes.
it's like clay sand.
Okay. I already washed my hands as well. Okay. Let me give you a teeny help.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You come to this side, please. Come to this side. Okay. You put a teeny water now, please. Teeny water. Oh, that's enough. That's it.
That's enough. It's very satisfying, isn't it?
Okay, now we keep mixing it until it's become a nice soft dough. Yeah?
Needed. The way you can check if it's needed is put it very gently hold there, and you can see it starts to rise up.
Yes. How long we mix it? More than 5 minutes,
Yeah,
isn't
more
it?
than 5 minutes.
Yeah, now we can see very soft. Yeah?
Yeah.
Dough. Then what we're going to do now?
We're going to spray some oil on it.
Yeah, no, not the oil on it. We take that.
Dough out.
Yes,
We
take the dough out, please.
And then you have to put it somewhere.
Yeah, like that.
And now we have to spray
Mix
the
it
bowl.
well. Mix it well. What is that?
It's
This
spray
is
oil.
the sunflower oil.
Spray oil.
Cooking is spray, yeah? Yeah, just spray a little bit, please.
Spray around.
Why we spray oil then?
Because then it stops the dough from actually sticking to the bowl.
Yes. Now we're going to
Put back the dough in.
yeah, like that. And then after we sprinkle little water. That's fine. No, no, no. Sprinkle it. Take the little water and sprinkle like that. Oh dear, what you could.
Just sprinkling.
Okay, that's enough. Then
Then we are gonna cover it.
yeah, we take our tea towel and open it, please. Open the tea towel, please.
Okay.
Why we gonna cover it?
Because then it stops any flies
And also it's giving a warm.
warmth to the dough so it can rise.
Yes, because yeast work
In hot,
no, a little bit warm.
conditions.
Yes, okay. Now it's ready. This one.
Yeah.
We're going to keep somewhere a little bit warm.
Yeah.
And after 1 hour,
Uh-huh.
we can see it how it looks like. Okay, can you put it? Okay, leave it like that.
Yeah.
And then while it's
Puffing up.
getting ready,
Yeah.
we can make our filling. So how we make this filling? It's already made.
Yeah, we made ours from tuna, mashed potatoes, garlic, leeks, and carrot.
Yes.
But you can use any type of fish for the you can do it anywhere you like for the fillings.
That's right. Yes.
This goes with anything.
Yes.
Really.
Actually, it's very easy to make. You boil the potatoes and mashed it. Then put a little bit of oil. You explain it. You explain.
Then we put a little more oil to the pot,
And then once it's
you chop up some
yes, garlic,
and
carrot,
and
leeks,
and
then put it to the pot.
Yeah,
and mix it well.
yeah, and then we add the potatoes
No,
in.
first, then after we add tuna,
Then we add tuna. Then we add the potatoes
and
in.
give a good mix. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we add salt and pepper.
Yeah, to make it a little bit spicy.
Yeah, and then leave it for a few minutes, and then all the time we mix it well.
Yeah.
Then after a few minutes,
It's like that.
yeah, you will see it like that. Now our filling ready.
Yeah.
We're going to wait for this dough to set,
Yeah.
like a 1 hour something.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we will see you later.
Goodbye. Hi, we are back from an hour, and I want to show you something very special. The dough has risen. Now, now.
What is the magic ingredient then?
The magic ingredient was the yeast. The yeast puffed it all up.
Yes. So what we're going to do now?
we are going to knead it and take all the air out because this is mostly all air.
Yes. Then, okay, we're going to take the tea towel out. Let me take the tea towel here. Yeah. So that's it. That's enough. Then you're going to take
some flour.
No, please leave it. Let Aya to do it. Listen, Binuka, come here, please.
Okay.
And then you're going to take bowl size of
flour.
No, not this
Dough.
Is it? Yeah.
This.
Out from this dough. Is this size of? Actually, need a little bit of
more.
Yes.
Okay. About that size.
Okay. Round it, please. Make it round. Yes. Then you take non-stick this type of plate.
Yeah.
And what you're going to do?
You're going to flat it.
Just this finger tops. Yes.
You got to do it like that. Because then it stretches it. Also takes out most of the air of it.
Yeah.
Is it?
We already washed our hands, before we do everything.
Make it nice and big.
Yes.
But in a circular shape.
Yes.
The triangular part will come on later. Now I flattened it. I'm going to put the filling in.
Yes. You can put the...
At least a spoonful of filling in the middle would do.
Yeah, just a little bit more, please.
Just a tiny bit more.
Yeah. That do. Then you're going to turn these sides with which shape?
Into a triangle.
Yeah, one side. You want me to show you?
Yeah.
The one side like that.
Yeah.
And
the other side doing
other
the same.
side like that. Yeah. And then
this side go up into here.
And all the way.
Like that. Okay.
Okay. See? It's a rectangle now?
No, it's a triangle.
Yes, sorry, it's a triangle. I'm sorry.
Now we're just going to flatten
No, we're not doing it anything. It's a triangle shape, yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry, it's triangle shape. So what we're going to do, we take it out and place it on the
greaseproof paper.
Yes, baking tray. Like that, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to do, it's clear? Yes.
Yeah.
So we're going to do all our
batch
this dough until it's finished. Then we will come back,
Yeah. Now we have done all of our malupang. It's already filled up with filling, and we have already
It's on the baking tray, yeah?
Yeah.
Now
we are going to glaze it.
Yes. For the glaze it, what we need?
We need some tea, which you made with a tea bag, a little bit of water.
It's a very strong tea, yeah.
And we also have some egg white.
Yes, egg white. Why are we doing it?
Because then it gives out a shiny color.
Yeah, it's a nice color, nice finishing color once it's baked, yeah? Okay. So what we're going to do first?
We're going to do the egg white first.
Yeah. Can you do one, please?
Yep.
All over the fish bun. Yeah.
And then we do the tea.
Yeah.
The tea gives out the brown in the malupang.
Yeah. See,
it soaks through it.
Yes, it's nice color. Okay. That's it. Let me do again.
You can see the dark color of it.
Yes, once it's baked, it's give a very nice color, shiny dark color. So we're going to do all of that.
The same, yeah.
Okay, then before it's go to the oven.
We've already done all the glazing of all the malupang. We've already preheated the oven.
Yeah. We need to keep the space.
We need to keep the space, otherwise then it will stick.
Yes.
And just give me the space for that one.
And our Vasanthi made a little baby malupang. Look at this, how cute, yeah?
Yeah, really cute.
You done a great job, Vasanthi.
Now we need to lift that into there.
Okay.
Now we have to put
Okay, we're going to put this one in the middle.
After they're done,
Yes,
you have to
okay.
put
Is everything? Yes, that's right. Yes.
on it.
Well done, kids. Okay, now we all done. Our oven is already preheated.
Yeah.
What is the gas mark?
4.
Gas mark 4. Osandi, careful. Don't touch it, please. No, Binuk, put it. Use this one, please.
Okay.
Yes. Hold it. Yes, I'm gonna help you as well. Yeah. Okay. Open the oven door, please.
So they can you.
Okay, we're gonna place it in the middle of the oven. Yeah.
For 20 seconds.
Yes, it's like a
For like 20 seconds.
yes, half an hour.
Then
Oh, yeah, until it's gold, until it get gold color top. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
it's closed. Yes.
Now we have to wait half an hour.
Yeah.
We'll show you when it's done, and we'll also eat it to tell you how amazing it is.
Okay.
This is the final outcome of the marzipan. You can see that the egg and tea glazes produces a nice orangey colour. I am gonna try some of this marzipan.
How is that taste?
It's really nice and soft.
Okay.
If you please, this is really good food. If you make this, it's really good for family dinners or when you have guests, and it's also good for evening tea.
That's it. And when you can invite them when you have a free time.
Yeah. So, please consider this.
When you have a free time, you can
When you have free time, you
can try this
you
one.
can try
Make
this.
it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then we're gonna finish today's video.
We're gonna finish today's video.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
We will see you
again
soon
in
with another
video.
video.
Bye.